Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of technology and its impact on our lives. Today, we explore a concept that holds immense promise and raises significant questions: AI superintelligence. In this video essay, we will take you on a journey into the future and explore how AI superintelligence will shape our world. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, where machines possess cognitive abilities beyond our comprehension. This concept, known as AI superintelligence, holds the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our society. AI superintelligence will accelerate scientific breakthroughs and revolutionize the medical field. With its ability to process vast amounts of data and identify patterns, AI can aid scientists in their research, leading to discoveries that were once unimaginable. Industries like manufacturing, agriculture, and transportation will undergo a massive transformation due to AI superintelligence. Autonomous machines will optimize processes, reducing costs and improving efficiency. This will lead to enhanced productivity and better resource management. While the potential of AI superintelligence is extraordinary, we must address the ethical implications that arise from its development and deployment. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, refers to AI systems that possess human-like intelligence across a broad range of tasks. As we approach AGI, we must consider the ethical ramifications. Ensuring that these powerful entities align with human values and prioritize the well-being of humanity is of utmost importance. With the rise of AI superintelligence, concerns regarding job displacement emerge. While automation has historically created new job opportunities, the pace at which AI is advancing could potentially render some jobs obsolete. It becomes crucial to prepare for this shift by focusing on education, reskilling, and redefining societal norms. Rather than fearing AI superintelligence, we should strive for collaborative coexistence between humans and machines. Building a future where humans and AI work in synergy can unlock unprecedented possibilities. AI superintelligence can augment human capabilities, leading to increased creativity, productivity, and problem-solving skills. Machines can handle mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on higher-level thinking and innovation. Our world faces complex challenges, such as climate change, resource scarcity, and disease outbreaks. AI superintelligence can aid us in combating these issues by offering data-driven insights, optimizing resource allocation, and accelerating scientific advancements. To harness the full potential of AI superintelligence, we must prioritize safety and alignment with human values. Developing robust ethical frameworks and regulations will guide the responsible development and deployment of AI superintelligence. These frameworks will address concerns such as privacy, transparency, and bias to ensure a fair and equitable future. Open collaboration and research are essential in navigating the complexities of AI superintelligence. Encouraging interdisciplinary cooperation, sharing knowledge, and fostering diversity of thought will result in more comprehensive solutions and mitigate risks. As we wrap up this exploration into the future of AI superintelligence, we are left with a sense of wonder and anticipation. The potential of AI superintelligence to shape our future is vast and transformative. From advancing scientific research and revolutionizing industries to enhancing human potential and addressing global challenges, AI superintelligence offers immense possibilities. However, we must tread carefully, addressing the ethical considerations that arise. Ensuring that AI systems align with human values, prioritize safety, and mitigate job displacement is crucial. By establishing robust ethical frameworks, regulations, and promoting open collaboration, we can navigate the path towards a future where humans and machines coexist harmoniously. The future of AI superintelligence is not a distant fantasy. It is a tangible reality that we must confront and embrace. By leveraging the power of AI, we can unlock unprecedented progress and reshape our world for the better. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the world of AI superintelligence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. And remember, the future is ours to shape with the power of AI superintelligence.